What's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is C and it is Sunday. Now, guys, as you can see, I already started working. I'm on my first batch for the day. It was for $78 for 2 customers. And let me tell you right now, I'm going to put everything in the screen. And I'm going to also let you guys see how bad this order was. So I'm just going to give that a few seconds so y'all can see what's going on here. And I'm still not done.
Look at this.
Ridiculous.
She had to take it because you canceled a few orders. She had to take it. It'd be like that sometimes, like when you cancel a lot, you just have to take the order. Especially you don't want to cancel the first order because you'll be done for the rest of the day. Yep. Guys, wish her luck.
Good luck tonight.
Wish her luck. Go follow her page. I'm gonna put her link in the description. Y'all gotta stop just watching. Y'all gotta start subscribing, man. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers real quick. If you're not subscribed to our page, go subscribe to our page, man. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Look how long the line is, yo. Yo, I'm gonna be real with y'all right now. This order was just in the way. First of all, I accepted the order only because I seen the 78. I didn't have time to look through it because you know how fast the batches be going. You don't even have time to look through the order and see how bad it is anymore. So I didn't. And I couldn't throw it back out there because I threw a couple of orders back out in the pool a few times already this week. So I kept it. They wanted 12 cases of this sparkling water stuff. 2 cases of water for this one customer. So one customer only wanted 2 cases of water and 12 cases of sparkling water. The other customer wanted 6 cases of water, a case of Diet Coke. They just got hella stuff, y'all. Point blank, period. It's just a lot. It's a lot. My whole trunk full. My back seat full. I even got stuff up here with me. I feel crowded. And honestly, is it worth $78? Oh, yeah. And I had to refund for 2 jugs of gallon water. Honestly, I'm happy I refunded that item because that would have just been too much, right? I could barely push the cart around. I'm actually going to link Cordell Currency's video under mine because he caught me and him was in a Costco together and he was recording. So I'm gonna put his video in the link. I'm gonna put a link to his video in the description of this video so that way you guys can go over there. Go follow him too. He dope. He real dope. He real good or whatever. Y'all learn a whole bunch of stuff on his channel. So go over there. But y'all, this order was just crazy. It was crazy. It was just crazy. I think Costco on timeout for today. Even if Costco not gonna be on timeout today, I'm going back to looking through the items on the big orders, on the big numbers now, because it wasn't worth the money. And the first customer 20 minutes away. This name of this video might be my Sunday was some bull-ish. I don't know. It depends on how the rest of the day go. But yeah, after this, y'all, I ain't taking no more big orders today. That's done. I'm not taking no more big orders today. Maybe the limit 2 cases of water. That's it. I'm done. I'm exhausted. I'm sweating. I'm hot. It's a lot. Then the Costco man at the door gonna tell me oh, I hope they don't have you taking this up no steps. I'm like, steps? What are you talking about? I'm not taking this up no steps. Even if either of these customers that I got in my car right now, I promise you, if they even got steps, they shit out of luck because I'm not taking anything up those steps. He was laughing, but I ain't taking nothing up no steps. No. That junk got me thinking though, like, yo, what if they really got steps? I'm gonna put the stuff right by the step and have them come down here and get their own stuff. Alright guys, so I dropped off to the customers. That was a lot, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That was a lot. Like, too much. To me, not worth it at all. But it is what it is. So it is 12:46, and I'm about to stop and take a quick break real quick because I realized that I didn't eat nothing yesterday and I didn't eat anything today. So I'm like, why do I feel weird? And it's because I forgot to eat. It's crazy. So I need to grab something to eat real quick and then I'll be back out. So I plan on maybe like 1:30 right back out here because I need to eat something. And that order, that junk, it's like it just swallowed my energy. Like it just zapped me. Like, let me go get something to eat. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I ate. I feel a little better, but I still feel like I'm like just drained off of that order. Like, yo, for real, that order was crazy. Like, yo, never again. Never again. Nope, not doing it. Like all that 12 cases of sparkling water and all that. Like, hell no, never. I'm telling y'all now, never again. I'm not playing. If I get it, I'm just going to throw it back out there or whatever, because I'm not beat. So I'm leaving, like, I'm going away from the Costco. I know I can still go to Costco, get orders that's smaller and everything, but honestly, I'm not beat for that line in Costco. That line was ridiculous with that order. Like, I'm just not beat for Costco right now. Like, they turn me off. Our relationship is not headed in a good direction. Maybe I'll try Costco again either later today or tomorrow or something like that. But right now, no, there's no reason why after I drop that order off, I eat, come back out, and I still feel some type of way. No. I'm done. So I'm headed towards ShopRite, the Stop and Shop, the Audis. I'm headed over there, okay? I'll take the baby orders today. I'll take the little 20s and stuff, because that, no. Not doing it. And then I seen an order for the Costco. It's one customer. They want like 40 something items. They only tipping $15. I think the order might be for 20 something dollars. Like, what the hell is wrong with, like, nope. Excuse me, y'all. I'm a little salty. Nope. No. So let me get over here to this ShopRite area and see what we get. If it's slow over here, I'd rather sling food delivery. I'd rather do that. For real, because right now, I really feel some type of way, y'all. Like, I do. Alright guys, so I just accepted a order at the ShopRite. It's 2 customers. I believe it's $36. I'm going to put it in the screen. It's going... Yeah, y'all just want to see it in the screen. I know it's a few miles. I just really don't remember how many. But yeah, it is 40 items. However, I shop at ShopRite pretty quickly. The items are like all like kind of sort of in the same areas, so that's good. And honestly, I'd rather do this than a Costco order at this point. So let's go in here, get this order done, so that way we can get to our next order. Sorry if y'all hear the AC, y'all, but it's hot. Like, it's so hot. My car says 94 degrees. But anyway, so that order was in a way. I think every order today for me gonna be in a way. Like, but that order was in a way. It's just like that person just wanted too much stuff. Like, I was thinking that like me doing that order wouldn't be that bad, and it wasn't that bad. It was just too much though. Like, I think I'm just taking smaller orders for the rest of the day. Like, it is what it is, because then the other customer was unresponsive. The other customer was unresponsive or whatever. They wasn't answering nothing I was saying, and there was no adequate replacement. So I had to refund them for like 3 of their items. the other person, they just wanted bad stuff. And then the lady kept talking about, can you get me the things that's on sale? And I'm like, how I'm supposed to know what's on sale? And you got like 40 items. What you mean a sale? You need to downgrade on how much stuff you getting. You talking about a sale? Like, even if you get it on sale, by the time you get to that register, it ain't gonna be no sale. Like, yo, these people crazy, bro. Yo, this Sunday looking like it's just gonna be in the way. It's already in the way. It's 3:30, and I'm in the way too with it. I'm in the way too. All right, guys. So I've been sitting here for like 15-20 minutes, looking through orders, declining orders on Doordash. Ain't really none coming up on Uber, but I finally seen a decent order that I'm willing to move for on Doordash. It is $7.75. It's going 2 miles. So let's go get it. It's at Fridays. Alright, guys, I just picked up that order. Good thing I be on them. Like, I be really like going through the items at the customer order, because they was about to just give me the bag without giving me the drink. And I was like, her strawberry lemonade, please. And he was like, oh, she does have a yes, she does. Can you give it to me, please? Thank you so much. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I just accepted an order. It's at Pizza Hut, 2 miles, $6 and some change. Don't remember the change, but I will put it in the screen. Yeah, I'm already here, so we're gonna go. And oh yeah, it's on Uber Eats. So let's go, guys. Guys, I just dropped that order off. It was smooth, and now I just accepted an order on DoorDash. It's for $6.75. It's going 2 miles. It's at a McDonald's. So let's go get the food, y'all. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, guys, so I had to wait like maybe like not even 10 minutes. I waited like maybe between 5 and 10 minutes to get another order. This one is on DoorDash, $7.75. It's going 3 miles, but that's including, I think, like maybe like a mile up the road for me to go and get the food. It's at a Burger King, so we're about to go to Burger King. Haven't been in there in a while, so let's go. Yeah, so the food was ready. I had to wait like maybe like 1 minute. But I have a question. So look, right, this is what my Instacart screen looked like. How I got 18 offers on that screen, and all of them BS. All of them. Every single last one of them is BS. Every single last one of them. That's crazy to me. Like, you would think out of 18, you'll see at least one on there. Now, all of them BS. And guess what else, right? That $50 one, you won't work for that $50 order. They want you to go damn near to New York to drop that order off. Like, what? Like, these... Instacart crazy, okay? They crazy. They just crazy. They just... Ooh. But anyway... So I'm about to drop this food off to the customer. And I'm going to keep doing my little food delivery, because honestly, ever since I started doing a food delivery, I'm feeling better. I'm feeling more like me. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not exhausted anymore. And I feel like maybe because I keep moving around and moving around, so I feel better. So I'm going to stick on my food delivery. I'm going to keep picking on Instacart. But I think I'm going to be doing a food delivery for the rest of the day, y'all. So let's get to the customer so we can drop it off before they ice cream melt. They got ice cream, y'all. Alright, guys, so I dropped off that order. and I seen people in the dumpster looking for something. I was gonna get them on film, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna leave them alone. Alright guys, so I just accepted an order. It's at ShopRite on Instacart. One customer, 18 items. I think it's $21, and I believe it's 4 miles. I could be wrong, but y'all gonna see in the screen and if I'm right or am I wrong. If I'm right or if I'm wrong. So let's go into the store and get this done. Alright guys, so I want to share with you how my Sunday actually ended and do a recap of the day and all of that stuff, okay? So what ended up happening after I did the ShopRite order, I ran out of storage on my phone. Yes, I did. All of these videos that I record for YouTube, and still got some personal photos in there, and you know, got my editing software and all of this stuff. I just ran out of storage. So I could not finish off my video on Sunday because I ran out of storage, and I was still working, and I didn't have time to try to delete things and rearrange things and all of that other type of stuff. So what ended up happening, I basically did food delivery until I hit my goal, and then after that I was done. I actually was done type early because it was still light outside, and it normally gets dark almost 9 o'clock, and it was still light. So I'm gonna say maybe I got done at 8 o'clock. I do want to go over my numbers with you guys because I did write it down. So on Instacart, I made $132.87. On Doordash, I made $59.25. And on Uber, I made $22.27. And that gives me a total of $214.39. So I did have a good day on Sunday, but Sunday was very, very, very draining and very, very, very stressful for the first half of my day. Y'all know it's real. If I do one order and I gotta go home and eat something and take a break and come back out and then take the second order, and the second order was in the way, and I feel like I was really in the way half of that day until I started doing food delivery and kept moving around and everything like that, and then finally, you know, it got better. So that's basically my Sunday. I'm still not beat for no big orders anymore. And you know what's crazy? It's getting slow now, so those big orders will really help with the slow seasons. But to be honest, like, you got to take care of your body. You know what I mean? Like, lifting all of that stuff, if you're not lifting it right, like if you're not using your knees to lift it, and then, you know, you just doing too much. Don't nobody got time for that. If I wanted a physical type of work, I would be in a warehouse somewhere. You know what I mean? Like, this ain't no warehouse. So like, I am done with those super duper big orders. It's at least with the waters and everything. Like, now, you know, if I get something for 3 waters, all right, I can deal with that. You know what I mean? A couple cases of soda and stuff, I could deal with that. But that 12, that 30, that whatever, like, I'm sorry, like, I'm just not doing it. I don't know what's going on with Instacart. I don't even know why they would have both of those batches together like that. Like, why not separate those batches? You get what I'm saying? Mind you, both customers tipped me decently. Like, that could have been 2 separate orders. You know what I mean? Or they could have combined both of those orders with a smaller batch or something. Like, I ain't playing with Instacart no more. Like, Instacart got me. I got by them, and it's cool, but you ain't gotta worry about me getting got again at all. Even like them orders at ShopRite I be taking, sometimes I'd be like 40 items. Like, I'm actually maybe reconsidering those too. I mean, it depends on what the items are, you know what I mean? Because gotta take into consideration, what if the customers don't respond, right? Like, you know, how many replacements am I gonna have to do? Like, how many customers is it? That type of thing, you know? Like, that's the only thing about these bigger orders. They can be stressful, and if you get stressed out, it can really mess up your whole day. Thankfully, I pushed myself and I kept going, and I kept saying, like, look, we just not gonna do this no more, and we gonna keep it pushing, we gonna keep it moving. And that's what I did, and it worked out for me. All right, so if you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching my video. Like, I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.